Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. Huawei MLKit is a mobile SDK that provides diversified leading machine learning capabilities that are easy to use, helping you develop various AI apps throughout a wide range of industries. In the last video about MLKit, image related services, we introduced the MLKit image classification service. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce the landmark recognition service of Huawei MLKit. The landmark recognition service helps us to obtain the landmark name, geo coordinates, and the confidence that the probability of an input image can be recognized. Currently, more than 17,000 global landmarks can be recognized. In landmark recognition, the device calls the on-cloud API for detection. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect, and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects. Click on OK to move to the next screen. Select Manually enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and all project section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of MLKit landmark recognition libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the internet permission. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add buttons and an image view. Open the main activity of the application. Set the API key. Set the click listeners for the buttons. Create an intent to pick an image from the gallery. On activity result, get the image and set it to image view. Get ML frame object from the image URI. Create a default ML remote landmark analyzer object. Call this async analyze frame method to asynchronously analyze the image. On the success callback, get the landmarks and display it. After getting the callback, stop the ML remote landmark analyzer and the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on pick image button. It will take you to pick an image from gallery. Once you select, the image will be set. Tap on analyze image button. It will analyze the image of the place, recognize the result and display it. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below. or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.